Hey, this is Sandy Wissinger. I'm a visual artist with Art Mama Moves. I'm going to show you 4 new paintings that I've made recently. It's the opposite. Okay. This is where the physical meets the non-physical. So this is an acrylic painting, but I did use some old like oil pastels that looked really smoky on top to create some texture. And that's actually some glitter glue. So the haziness and mistiness is where all of our ideas start, where things begin, where things are conceived, and then where the paint starts to get thicker. And as you can see, it dries like resin almost. It has a cool effect when the black meets the yellow. So that represented where actual physical matter, where everything calcifies, where it hardens, where it becomes fixed. And as of right now, it's not named. But yeah, that's painting number 1. Painting number 2 is actually on a wood panel. I gessoed the panel and then I created a tree based on a tree that I used to have here, but it had to be knocked down because the roots were threatening the structure of the house. So, but that made me really sad because I really connected with that tree. And yeah, this tree represents the magic that one was. You know, it was its entire world. There were woodpeckers and blue jays would come to it, and it was just so epic and beautiful, and one of the main reasons I love where I live, and it's not there anymore. So this is my tribute to that tree, and this piece of wood actually is from around here, so it's connected to that tree. So this painting is very valuable to me. That's painting number 2. Painting number 3 is, I guess it's kind of like about fertility and movement, because it's kind of a study of like fans but also flowers at the same time. So it's like movement, kind of like the design of the universe, how like everything's like fractals and it just keeps going and going and going. Yeah, this is painting number 3. And painting number 4. This is comic book, pop art, abstract, just capturing one emotion, you know, kind of like an aggressive thought or a feeling that's kind of chasing you, and how it communicates, how it comes out. And I really love the thickness of the colors of this one.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.